Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing some more Pizza Tower as The Noise. And last time I played Pizzascape. So this time I'm going to be playing Ancient Cheese. Wait a minute, hold on. Yeah! The music in this game is just so good. I finally figured out how to wall jump as this guy. Says that as he messes that up. Oh my goodness, dude. You know what? That just makes it easier. Oh. No. Unresponsive controls. That was my fault. There, you're not supposed to jump. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Oh, never mind. Oh no, not the lag spike. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. And then oh wow, okay, apparently I don't even have to worry about throwing the bombs. I can just walk. Oh, wait. There we go. This playthrough should be easier than my Peppino one since I already beat the game. So I am pretty much familiar with the levels. Oh, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I love the jetpack. I might even actually prefer over the super jump for Peppino. And that's a pretty wild statement. The wall jump can be pretty annoying, but assuming if you can actually do well with it, you should be fine. Ah. Hold on a sec. Alright, so here we gotta... No, we gotta... So that's every secret for this level. I actually forget what it's called. Okay, yeah, I have to make sure. Oh crap. That was terrible. I had very good momentum there too. I guess the noise is more forgivable than Peppino sometimes. Now there's just no excuse for that. Whatever that was. There we go. Oh. This might be a close round. No! Alright. So that was, crap, I actually forget what this level is called. That actually annoys me. Oh, Ancient Cheese, okay. So that is all the toppings and secrets for Ancient Cheese. If you guys enjoyed this, well, I mean, I guess go ahead and feel free to like the. Gosh, I hate saying that. I don't know why. It just feels cringy to me to say like and subscribe. But I guess if you want to, go ahead. I mean, no one's making you, so yeah, who knows? And Noise is smoking a ciggy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I sure enjoyed playing it. And I'll see you guys next time.